Brothers. Today we're going to be unboxing the Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack.
Okay, let me see all of them. This is the Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack. And we're going to discuss the cars later.
This Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack includes the Cadillac El Mirage, the Jaguar F-Type Project 7, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, the McLaren F1 GTR, and the Aston Martin V8 Vantage.
So this is the Cadillac El Mirage, this dark blue colour with that lovely sort of beige interior. I really like it. It's a really nice car. Some people just don't appreciate too much in my opinion, but you know, it's a really cool car and I really like it.
This is the Jaguar F-Type Project 7 in dark green with white details. I like how it has no roof and a big rear wing. This is going to go pretty quick down the track.
This is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS in light blue with white racing stripe details. I really like it because it gives me a fair memory of the GT2 RS, which is my favourite car, so I really like it.
This is the McLaren F1 GTR, and it was the car I was most excited for. I love it in orange with the black details and grey wheels. I hope it's quick.
This is the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. I like it with this yellow with the black stripes because it reminds me faintly of the Bumblebee car. I think it's a really cool casting with the white wheels, and yeah, I think this is going to be quite quick down the track. So that was our Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack opening. There'll be more unboxings to come. I hope you enjoyed this one because we were really excited when this arrived. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. And also, Dana, what was the one you were most excited for?
This one, the McLaren F1 GTR.
I was most excited for this Jaguar F-Type Project 7.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends. Bye! Bye.